CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.1, Explain the value of data and information. Data, information, and insights. To begin our study of Domain 5.0, Data and Database Fundamentals, it's important to start with a clear understanding of three key terms: data, information, and insight. These terms are often used interchangeably, but in the world of technology and databases, they each represent a different stage in the journey from raw input to meaningful understanding. Let's start with data. Data refers to raw values collected by a computer system. These values have no meaning on their own. They're simply facts or figures, numbers, words, or symbols that have been gathered but not yet analyzed or explained. To make this more relatable, imagine the value 100. Without any context, the number 100 could mean almost anything. It could represent a temperature, a score on a test, a dollar amount, or the number of users visiting a website. In this state, it's just data, undefined and disconnected. Now that we've seen how data alone doesn't tell us much, let's talk about what happens when we give that data some structure and meaning. Information is the result of processing data into a form that is understandable and useful. It gives us context and allows us to start making sense of what the data represents. Continuing with our earlier example, let's take that raw data value of 100. On its own, it meant nothing. But if we now say it represents 100 miles, we've added context. Suddenly, we know we're talking about a measurement of distance. The number now has meaning, and that's what turns data into information. So far, we've seen how data becomes information when we add context. But what happens when we go a step further, when we combine multiple pieces of information and start to interpret what they mean? That brings us to our final definition: insight. Insight is a meaningful understanding that comes from analyzing information. It's the result of looking at patterns, relationships, and context to draw conclusions or make informed decisions. Let's revisit our example one last time. We've already turned the raw data of 100 into the information 100 miles. But now, think about what that distance means. 100 miles could seem like a very long distance if you're walking. On the other hand, it might feel like a short trip if you're flying in a plane. By combining the distance with details about how we're traveling, we gain different insights. Same data, same information, but very different conclusions depending on the situation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.